everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1989 GMC Jimmy SLE 1500 series, four-wheel drive, wicked cool truck, guys. Truck spent most of its life in California. I think they said 5 years ago they came over here, and of course they did a complete body up restoration, put a 6-inch lift kit on it, beautiful Olympic white paint. You can see they've got 20-inch fuel wheels on it. Pretty truck, man. 6-inch lift on it with Fox, I think they're called Adventure Series shocks. Again, 20-inch fuel wheels, and they have that cool finish that it's kind of a bronze finish with the BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs. And I'm telling you, this thing is clean. I know if you've looked at these things, I'm always trying to buy them. Matter of fact, I just looked at another one down the road, but it's rusty as can be. This one is rock solid. Bottom of the car, or bottom of the truck, as clean as can be. Really just a good truck. Runs and drives excellent. I noticed a couple, there's a couple little spots here in the grill. But paint is slick. It's Olympic white. Truck is clean. I really can't show you the top of it, but dual chrome mirrors, power windows. When they redid the top, you can see they smoothed it. That's a removable top. Of course, it's got the sliders on both sides. A mark here in it. See the top of that facing, sits up pretty good. Spare tires brand new. You kind of nitpick some of this trim here, but really like most of them I see. It's got the trailering package with the light hookup. Power rear window works both on the button inside and on the key. It's got the chrome nerf bars. And you can tell this truck's been out west. It is nice and clean underneath. Cool fuel wheels. And nice and clean in those wheel wells. I know if you're looking at them, man, just like I have, man, a lot of them are just rotted out. This thing is clean. Front disc brakes. Again, you can see the Fox body shocks. Original 5.7, they said the drivetrain was freshened up when the restoration was done. Of course, these are 5.7 liter EFIs, so they're electronic fuel injection, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes, air, factory jack is still underneath the hood here, automatic overdrive trans. My 17-year-old son drove it into the shop on the expressway. He said it drove good. He drives a lifted Jeep, so he's used to these things lifted up like that. When I first looked at this truck, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't real hip on the wheels, and man, I like them now. I mean, they just look good. Of course, I've had fuel wheels on several lifted trucks of my own personally. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Glass looks original. Door handles are original. Look at the bottoms of those door skins. This thing is nice and clean. All new leather interior, power windows, power locks, new carpet. Again, all new leather. This stuff's nice. It's plush. Bucket seats, console, tilt wheel, cruise. Showing 78,000. That's not the original miles, guys. Of course, four-wheel drive. It's got an aftermarket Alpine system. There's your power button on the dash. Again, that rear is removable. The rear top is removable. Stock style dual exhaust, or just 2-into-1, whatever they call it. Just a factory rear end. Look how clean it is in here. This is, again, I've looked at a ton of these trucks, and man, most of them right in there are just rotted out. You can see this thing's nice and clean in here. It's got WeatherTech mats throughout. Kicker box, I guess you call that, for my generation. If you move that spare when you go to put it back on, when you go to latch, you guys, make sure you get it all the way on the latch. You got to push it on there. Make sure that secondary latch locks. You can drive down the road and it'll, you know, you just got to make sure they get latched. I've had that before. So nice and clean. This is a good truck. Seats are really nice, they're plush. All the lights in here seem to be working. Dash got a couple marks on it I've seen. Go ahead, Nathan. And original door handles. Again, fuel injected. Air blows ice cold. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. All right. Runs and drives excellent. Clean truck, man. Our windows work. It's like all your gauges are working. Fuel gauge does work. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see these. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, you see, put your power window up. The sun's behind us. Sometimes it's hard to see these lights. Oh, you got a backup light on that side. Rev again, Nathan. Sorry, it's on the other side. Truck sounds good. Like I say, really hits the road good. Thumper radio, blower motor works. That's why my younger son wanted to drive this thing back. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a good looking truck. Like I say, when I first looked at this truck, I didn't like those wheels, but man, they are cool.